Oh, this is good. Just like I said before, if you have anything inside, many things inside, and it's all to the same power, we split the power. Just like this, just like we did here. Do you remember? We gave the 2, we gave it a 4. The x, we gave it a 4. The y to the power of 3, we gave it a 4. So we will do the same thing. But before we start, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. We just did that in the previous question because it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So now we split the power, give each one of them 3/4. This goes away. Now you have two powers, you multiply them. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 4 times the new power, x to the power of 16 times the new power. It's like this. 2 to the power of 4 times 3/4, x to the power of 16 times 3/4. Now the 4's will cancel each other, so it's just going to be 2 to the power of 3. If you don't like canceling, you can think of it like 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is also 3. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 3 only. Now here, 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. If you don't like it, think of 16 times 3 is 48. 48 divided by 4 is 12. It's the same thing. Now we almost finish. X to the power of 12, we can't do anything, but 2 to the power of 3 is 8 because it's 2 times 2 times 2. So it's just 8x to the power of 12. That's the full mark. Next question. It's this one. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's do it in a different slide.